So in this video, you'll learn how to enable or disable customized SmartThings on your Samsung Galaxy A26, A36, and A56. So the first step is to open the Settings app, and then under Settings, you want to scroll and select General Management. From here, scroll until you find Customization Service, then select it. If it prompts you to enable the customization service on your device, then go ahead and do so that once you've turned it on, you'll be given this list that you're currently seeing on my screen. So from here, simply scroll down until you find SmartThings. And then once you found it, you have a toggle next to it. So currently Customized SmartThings is enabled, but if I tap on the toggle once and it goes to a gray color, it's been turned off. And if I tap on it once again, it will turn to a blue color, meaning that it's been enabled. So whenever you find this feature, it's completely up to you to decide if you want to turn this feature on or off. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.